Language has the power to connect or divide us. In this video, we're gonna talk about the importance of being mindful of the words we use, how they can impact others, and how sensitivity to language can create a more inclusive and respectful environment for everyone.
A restaurant chain using salvage in marketing material. So the situation is a US-based restaurant chain expanded into the Philippines and launched a campaign that encourages customers to salvage their meal by taking home leftovers to reduce food waste. However, in the Philippines, salvage is commonly means extrajudicial killings, especially in urban slang, due to its association with past political incidents. For the analysis of the scenario 1, this language choice caused alarm and discomfort among Filipino customers, as the word salvage carries a dark connotation. Filipino patrons avoided the using the salvage option, interpreting the campaign negatively and associating the brand with something harmful. So for the solution for this, before launching, the company should have researched common language associations in the Filipino market. A simple adjustment of phrase like take home your meal or a save your leftovers would have conveyed the message without unintended connotation. In this case, cultural sensitivity and localized language would make the brand appear more considerate and in tune with local context.
A Filipino soap tried to launch its popular soap brand Ligo in Japan. In Filipino, Ligo means bath or to shower, which is suitable name for a soap product. However, in Japanese, Ligo sounds familiar to Rigo, which is associated with laziness or lethargy in informal slang. So the analysis of this is Japanese consumers associated the product name with the idea of sluggishness, a negative trait, and felt uncomfortable buying the soap. The brand lost traction as Japanese consumers avoid the product, assuming it was of low quality or somehow unsuitable for an energizing, clean experience.
Now we as a group have a solution to this, or we can propose that the solution would be to research in Japan and to invest in local research groups or focus groups where they can suggest a more appealing name such as Kirei soap, where Kirei is or means clean or fresh in Japan and would be more attractive to the ears of their target demographic and would popularize their product altogether. A Filipino food company began exporting their popular rice cake mix called puto to Latin American countries. In the Philippines, puto is a beloved steamed rice cake often enjoyed as a sweet or savory snack. However, in Spanish, particularly in Mexico and some parts of Latin America, puto is a derogatory term and an offensive slur.
So, for analysis, Spanish-speaking customers found the product name shocking and offensive, leading to backlash in social media and decline in sales. Many consumers refused to buy products viewing the name as vulgar and insulting. So, for the solution of this is the company could conduct cultural and language research in their target markets before launching, renaming the product specifically for Spanish-speaking countries to something like rice cake mix, or using neutral names like kakanin, which is Filipino for rice snack, would have avoided the negative connotation, engaged in local consultants or using translation services sensitive to regional differences, would have helped the company create a brand identity that resonates positively with its local customers.
By being mindful of our words, we can foster understanding, respect, and inclusion. Sensitivity to language isn't just about what we say, it's about building connections and creating a more positive environment for everyone.